Hi everyone. Today I thought I will talk about a totally different topic, not the regular ones which you normally see my videos of. This is a very generic topic, a very basic and a fundamental topic, but I still feel that it is a very important topic for all of us. And the topic is about how do I build my own personal identity or a brand in the corporate world. I see a lot of people coming to me and saying that, that their profile is not getting shortlisted or they're getting interview calls, but they're unable to clear the interviews. So what I have tried to summarize in this short video are few pointers which could help any of us to build our own unique personal brand or a personal equity. Remember, there are many people like you having a similar set of qualifications, a similar set of industry certification or competency. What stands out in an interview is your own unique identity. What is the story you are able to present to the interviewer on the other side? So let us start with some pointers around how do I improve or enhance my personal equity or my own personal brand. Let's start from basics. Point number one, your resume or your CV. Remember, your resume or your CV is the photograph which you are showing to the prospective employer. Remember, one very important thing is that your CV should be as short and crisp as it can be. I have seen CVs running into 15 pages, 20 pages. Believe me, no one is here to listen to your entire story. What they want is, okay, tell me what are the skills you possess and how are you going to utilize those skills in my organization for my organization to get value out of your profile. So my recommendation here would be, do not have a resume more than two pages. Anything beyond 2 pages, believe me, is an overkill. No one has got the time to go through it. No one would be interested to know what you did 15 years back or what was the college you attended 25 years back. Make it as crisp as it can be. Point number two, the right articulation of your CV. Now, this is where I see a lot of gap in candidates. Remember, even a small full stop or a comma or an apostrophe S has to be talked about when you are in an interview. A small full stop, and if you forget to talk about it, or a small explanation, you are unable to talk, you know what kind of an impression it will create. So write down skills which you know that you will be able to defend, which you have really worked upon. Do not try to fake anything or do not try to write any skill which you cannot defend in an interview. It's very easy to catch such things in an interview. Number three, bring that inside out and outside in perspective. What is inside out and outside in perspective? Try to connect with industry leaders. Try to attend conferences, webinars, events. This is a good opportunity to understand what's happening in your field in the industry. It is also a good opportunity to present what you have worked on in conferences, meetups, and webinars and events. Many of people come to me and say that, you know what, we cannot talk in a webinar. I mean, how do we go about and prepare that presentation? My recommendation here would be start small. Why not write a small article on LinkedIn? Why not go ahead and publish something on blogs? This will be a good opportunity for people to know that, yes, I exist in this world and these are the unique skills I'm bringing into the table here. Fourth important point, social media connect. In today's world, it is very important to have your social media connection or your social media presence, be it LinkedIn, be it D-Zone, be it, let's say, even for that matter, WhatsApp. It's very important to be connected, as I said earlier, also with industry leaders, and LinkedIn is a best platform, I would say, which will help you connect. Also, there are a lot of opportunities on LinkedIn which you can encash once you create your LinkedIn account. Point number fifth, definitely the last point for this video, but not the least, if I were to put it, upskill yourself. Remember, there is no stopping to learning new skills. The world is changing at a very fast pace And if we don't keep abreast with the latest happenings in my job, in my competency, or in the professional world where I'm operating, believe me, I'll be extinct sooner. There are a lot of interesting tools, techniques, lot of new learnings which are always there irrespective of the domain you are working. So why not invest your time in learning? My recommendation would be to have at least 50 hours of learning every year. That's the minimum what I'm recommending, more the merrier. I hope these 5 tips are helpful to all of you. And in case of any queries, do connect with me. I'll be more than happy to guide you all on any further pointers. This is Ashutosh Bhatodekar signing off for the moment, wishing you a very happy career and a professional growth ahead. Bye for now.